This is so much fun. Everybody is having fun. Yes, so today the school is off. So my friend Tihin in the car and I have invited a bunch of the kids to go swimming at a nearby waterfall. So let's go. So just 40,000 for 4 watermelons. It's a good deal. So this is our second destination, the Ganga waterfall. Bagus.
Kami di sini berjalan di air terjun.
Here it is. This one just a small one. Now we're going to the real waterfall. Wow, this is really cool. Have to walk into this small canyon-like thing. Look at this. What's in here? I think we have to go in here and explore, but this track is not leading any further. Tihin has already found a way out there, but maybe we just have to go in the water and swim in there and see what's in there. So the boys, they are ready for the adventure. They are going up there to jump. Mantap Akbar! wind is like a monkey now. Yeah.
Semangka.
Ah, snack time.
Yeah.
Look at this knife.
Ano ang adik?
Mangga.
Ano habis? Ready.
Yan,
Enak ya?
Enak. Enak.
No.
Bagus.
We go to
Number 7.
yeah. Q7.
Q7.
Yeah.
So, the next waterfall, the third one, is Tiu Pitu, which means Tiu number 7.
Mau kemana sekarang?
Tiu Pitu.
Mandi.
Mandi dulu. Ya, mandi lagi. Ya.
Mandi aku. Aku mandi.
Mau mandi lagi? Ya. So this place is actually been built up, so it's ready for a lot of tourists, and I think it has been popular before. There are like a lot of selfie places and some coffee shops, but it looks like it's all deserted now. I think it's after the earthquake that all the tourists have gone away. So now it's just us here. Ah man, I had seen some pictures from here where there was a spot for jumping, and I think it's this one right here, but it's broken. That was Tiu Pitu, the third and last waterfall for today. And it was a really fun waterfall. Has some good pools to swim in, not so deep, but still we had fun. The thing is that this place looks like it has been built up really nice, but right now it was all dead. Thank you. So I think it's because we're here in the dry season, and in the wet season it's a really popular place, and all the small fruit stands and stuff like that will be open, and then I'm sure it's a really nice place to visit. So we're on the way back home now. Thank you. It has been a great day.